Hi guys! Welcome back to AllSome TV.
Have you ever wondered about how postal services work in Malaysia before Merdeka?
Well, you've come to the right video. Today we are going to share with you the history of postal service in Malaysia.
Courier services have various forms of transportations including vans, motorcycles, horse riding and even canoeing back in the day.
Fun fact, at one point back in 1930s in Australia, they actually tested and successfully sending mail using rockets, but eventually dropped the idea due to its high cost.
Malaysia's biggest courier company has been Post Malaysia, which started operating in the early 1800s during the British ruling.
The postal services has been the second oldest service in the country after the police service.
Letters were delivered through dispatch riders or special messengers, and before postage stamps were introduced in 1901, fees were collected when letters were handed in at the post office.
Only in 1976 was when Malaysia's postcode system was initiated by M. Raja Singham, Director General of Post Malaysia. At that time, only addresses in Kuala Lumpur had the postcodes.
And the postcode system made the process of sorting out mail smoother as it was easier for machines to recognize the numbers.
We are now in the year of 2020 where the technology has advanced tremendously. Post Malaysia has even announced that they may start using drones as an alternative delivery mode, especially in the e-commerce market.
Apart from that, Malaysia is also moving forward with the new incoming method called 3PLs, where online sellers can definitely lessen their burden by hiring them to do all their tasks, such as storing and managing your inventory, pick and pack, and dealing with courier companies who will come over to pick up all the orders and send them to your buyers.
It truly is a new and easy way made for online sellers to ensure they focus more on sales and marketing and growing their online store. So, being an online seller can be tough sometimes, but 3PLs are ready to make it easier for you.
If you are in need of help for storage, pick and pack, and delivery, you can contact AllSome through our social links below.
We hope you enjoyed this video and remember to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome videos coming your way in the future.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.